Hello everyone, and today's topic will discuss about the depth first search, that is DFS. In that DFS it will be generalization of the pre-order, and then it will be start at some vertex and it used to traverse all the nodes, like how you people will select your source and select your destination. Then it will reach according to the places what you have been selected, and it will say that these places have been visited. Like that only in the depth first search also, it will start at some vertex and traverse along and mark that it has been visited, and recursively we used to call it as the depth first search. So this technique basically uses the stack. Stack means we used to pop the top element. So this is called about the depth first search. In the graph traversal, we have the two techniques. One is the depth first search, and another one is the breadth first search. So in this class, we'll discuss about the depth first search technique. So this is the graph what we have been considered as an example. So the first node is the 1. The starting node is the 1. So you want to push the 1 into the stack, because what the element is at the first. So I am pushing that node into the stack so that my top element, the top position will be 0. Okay, next, which is the top element now? 1 is the top element. So we want to pop that element. Before going to pop that element, we should check which from 1 where it is traveling. So 1 is traveling to 2 as well as to the 3. So which is at the right side? So 3 is at the right side and 2 is at the left side. So, and first, which is at the right side, you want to push it first, and which is at the left side, you want to push it at the second. So, in place of 1, I am inserting 3 and 2. So, now which is my top position? 1 is my top position. So, I am writing top is equal to 1. Then my traversal. So, which is the traversal? From 1 we have been traversed, so my traversal is 1. Next, we want to, which is the top element? We want to pop the top element. We want to check where the 2 is traveling. So the 2 is traveling to 4 and 5. So which is at the right side position? 5. 5 is at the right side and 4 is at the left side. 5 I am inserting first and 4 to the next. Now my what's the top position is the 2. So my top is equal to 2. The top position is 2. So the traversal is which node we have been popped? 2. So continue with the before traversal also, that is 1 and 2. So we'll see for the next step. So in the next step, so we want to delete the 2, 5 as well as 4, right? So we want to pop the 4 element. We'll see 4 where it is traveling. So once again, for avoid the confusion, I have written the graph once again. So 4 where it is traveling? So 4 is traveling to 8. So in place of 4, I have written 8. So my top position is 8. Got it? My top position element is 8 and top position is 2. So that I'll continue with the traversal 1, 2, 4. We'll again go for the step 5. So which is my top element now? Top element is 8. And in the top element 8, so we'll see where the graph is traveling. It is traveling to 4, 5, 6 as well as 7. Got it? Already 4 is there in the traversal, so no need to take that. Remaining elements we should take 5, 6, 7. So we want to go from the right side to the left side. So 7, 6, 5. So see here 7, 6, 5. In place of 8, I am inserting 7, 6, 5. Next, which is the top position now? 4 is the top position and top element is 5. So we are going to pop that 5. Got it? So traversal is 8 because we have popped 8. So I am writing according to the traversal 1, 2, 4, 8. We'll see for 5 now again. So 5. So 5 where it is traveling? 5 is traveling to 2. 5 is traveling to 8. 2 is already there in the traversal. So just we want to write 7, 6, 5. So already 8 also there. Sorry for the delay. So 2 is also already there as well as 5. 8 is also there. Just you people pop that node. So you people pop that 5th node. Got it? So I am popping that directly. I am popping that node. It will be come in the traversal 1, 2, 4, 8. 4, 8, 5. Next, which is my top position now? My top position is 3 and I want to pop the 6th element. Again, I have written in the graph, students. So, the 6 where it is traveling, 6 is traveling to 3, 6 is traveling to 8. 8 already is there in the traversal, so it has been visited. So, it is true. Then, just in place of 6, I'll write it as 3. Already popped element is, so again I'll write in the traversal, it has visited, so it is true. Next, so you want to delete the, now which one? Third element, and then in the third element, we'll see where the 3 is traveling. 3 is traveling to 1, 6 and 7. So, 1 is there, 6 is there, then we left out is 7. So, we are writing 7 in place of 3. What is my top element now? 7 is my top element and my top position is 3. Got it? And next, we want to pop the node 7. So, in the pop the node 7, so see here, 7 is traveling to 3, 7 is traveling to 8. Already 3 is there, 8 is there. Just you people pop that element. 7 has been popped. So, if you pop that element, 0, 1, 2. So, my top position is 2 and then top element is 7. Until the stack becomes empty, you just go on pop that top element. Got it, students? So, we'll see next which element can be popped. So, I'll pop the 7th element. See here, if I pop the 7th element, so 7 where it is traveling, 7 is traveling to 3, 7 is traveling to 8. So 3 is there and 8 is there. Just two people ignore from the stack. So my traversal is 7. 7 is also written, just I am ignoring it. No, you should not take the repetition of the elements. Next, step 11. So, in that, which is the top element now? Top element is 5. So, I want to delete the pop. We'll see 5 where and all it is traveling, 2 as well as 8. So, 2 and 8 also there in the traversal. So, no need to take that 5 once again. So, because 5 is also already there. So, just ignore from the stack. So, my top position is 0. Until the stack becomes empty, you people just go on popping that element. Next, we'll see 3 now. 3 where and all it is traveling. 3 is traveling to 1, 3 is traveling to 6 and 3 is traveling to 7. So 1, 3, 7. So it is already there in the traversal. So, and even if you pop also, 3 is also already visited. So that you people just ignore from the stack. If you ignored and if you have been deleted, so no elements will be there in the stack. So that now stack will be empty. So that until the stack become empty, so we want to pop that which is the top element and check whether which has been visited. And then now top is equal to -1 and stack has become empty. So we'll continue the traversal here 1, 2, 4, 8, 5, 6, 3, 7. So this is the graph originally what we have been given in the example program. So how it is been travels, look according to the graph, students. 1, 2, 4, check here, 8, then 5. So then it is coming back, then going to 6, then 3 and 7. According to the graph, you want to write what the graph you have been got finally. Okay, one hint I'll give students. So which is in the top element, you want to pop that element and then you want to check in place of that which the element you have been popped. In that, you want to replace which and all places it has been visited. So once if it is visited, no need to traverse again. So already it is there in the traversal, just ignore from the stack. Or else you just pop that element from the stack. So this is the concept for depth first search. Okay, hope so you people have understood. Thank you everyone.